MovingCert. This is the MovingCert tutorial. In about 5.5 minutes you will see the complete walkthrough, end to end, using the real application. First you will sign in and look at the dashboard with your fleet status and your alerts. Then you will add a driver with the details required for the posting declaration and access to the app and a vehicle. After that you will upload a shipment with help from the AI, declare the posting, and issue and verify its document. And finally you will watch it reach the driver app, where the driver signs for the delivery on their phone. You can follow the steps in your own account as you watch. Let's begin. To sign in, go to www.movingcert.com and click Sign In. Enter your panel using your company email address and password. Every user has their own login. This is the dashboard. At the top you can see your fleet status and the documents that need your attention. Below that, your first steps and quick actions for the most common tasks. Further down, compliance by module, posting declarations, DeCA, e-CMR, A1, Driver CPC and driver attestations. Each with its own alerts if something is about to expire. And at the bottom, a summary of your fleet and your notification settings. So you receive alerts by email or in your browser. To add a driver, go to Drivers and fill in their details. Expand posting declaration details and complete them. These are the fields the European Register requires. If any of them is missing, the driver cannot be declared until you fill it in. Down here is your list of drivers, with their status and whether they are ready to be declared. From this same table you can export their data, anonymize it, or remove them. To let a driver use the mobile app, give them access here. Enter their email address and a password, then click Enable. From now on they can sign in with those credentials. Vehicles work the same way. Go to Vehicles. Enter the registration of the tractor unit and, if you use one, the trailer. It is now available for any declaration. Here are all your registered vehicles, with their trailer, type and weight. If one is no longer in service, remove it from this same table. To create a shipment you do not have to type everything by hand. Go to Shipments. Click New from PDF or email, upload the document or paste the text of the order. And the AI extracts the data for you. Check the wizard step by step: consigner, consignee, carrier, collection and delivery, the goods and the references, everything arrives already filled in. You only complete what the AI cannot know, such as the loading date, and confirm each step. On the last step you assign the vehicle and the driver. As soon as you create the shipment, it is ready to have its posting declared, its document issued with a QR code, and to reach the driver app directly. To declare a posting, choose the driver, the country of destination, the type of operation and the dates of the journey. When you submit it, MovingCert checks the driver's cover and warns you if their A1 or their driver CPC expires before the journey ends, as you can see here. Renew them before the driver sets off. From a shipment you can issue its DeCA or its electronic consignment note. This is the real document, with its verification code, its digital fingerprint and its QR code. Anyone can scan it and check it, just as an enforcement officer would at a roadside check. Under Signatures and Events you can see its full life cycle, the consignee's pending signature. Who has opened the document by QR code or by verification, and where each piece of shipment data came from. And with the verification code, you can confirm in seconds that the document is genuine and what state it is in. The driver signs in from their phone with their own login. Here they can see their posting declaration, their A1 and Driver CPC certificates, and their consignments, the journeys assigned to them, each with its documents inside. When they open a document, they tap Show QR for inspection, to show it straight to an enforcement officer at a roadside check, without opening the whole document. And if needed, they can also open the full document, with its verification code. And on delivery, they sign on the spot, they choose the type of event and their role. Tap Take Photo to attach a photograph of the goods, and sign with their finger on the screen. As soon as it syncs, it is recorded in the history with the date, who signed and their photograph, no phone call to the office and no paperwork. And not just the e-CMR, a DeCA opens in exactly the same way, with its own code and its own QR, for deliveries within Spain. That brings us to the end of the walkthrough. If you have any questions, email us at info@movingcert.com, or take a look at our website, www.movingcert.com. And inside the platform, under Help, you can download the full manual as a PDF. Thank you for following the tutorial.